First question. Degree it is 5. 5 is nothing but odd. Degree it is nothing but 5. It is nothing but odd. If it is odd, what will be the answer directly? It is nothing but -1. It is a complete equation. Why? Because, right, degree is 5 and the degrees are decreasing by 1 and sign changes are happening in a synchronizing way. Minus 12x square plus 12x minus 12. It is nothing but -1. You want to check it out with the previous method? Take the last two values, which is 12x minus 12. If it is 12x, if it is plus, do minus 11x, which is x minus 12. 11 minus 12 is nothing but -1. 11 minus 12 is nothing but -1. You don't need to take last two terms. Directly, if the degree it is odd and it is a complete equation, I will get -1. Similarly, degree it is odd. Degree it is odd. Is it a complete equation? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And all the coefficients are k plus 1. So answer is nothing but directly. It is nothing but -1. It is nothing but -1. I hope the idea it is clear. Now the degree it is nothing but 4. Degree it is even. If the degree it is even and degree is decreasing by 1 and the coefficient it is k plus 1. So the answer is nothing but 1. So the answer is nothing but 1. Directly you will get the answer. Directly you will get the answer. Now see here. X power 4 minus 25x cube plus 25x square minus 25x plus 35. We know that if it is 25, I will get the answer as 1. Plus 25, I will get the answer as 1. That means how much I need to decrease to get 25? Minus 10. Minus 10 is to the left hand side. So the right hand side it will be 1 plus 10. Answer is nothing but 11. Answer is nothing but 11. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Right? I require 25. So 35 should be decreased by 10. Decreasing on the left hand side becomes the increasing on the right hand side. Or if you can go by the method which I taught, last two terms is nothing but minus 25x plus 35. If it is minus, do 24x plus 35. This is minus x plus 35. Minus 24 plus 35. Answer is nothing but 11. Answer is nothing but 11. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. X power 5 minus 17x power 4 plus 17x cube minus 17x square plus 19x plus 20. 19x plus 20. Degree it is 5. If it is a complete equation, degree is odd. The right hand side value is -1. If it is minus 17x square, it should be plus 17x. That means 2x should be decreased. If it is minus 17x square plus 17x, 17. So these nothing but, I hope it is clear, right? Minus 2x. Minus 2x to the left hand side, it will be plus 2x. So this will be 17. 17 means 3 should be decreased. So it will be 2 minus 1 plus 2x plus 3. Answer is nothing but 2x plus 2. Answer is nothing but 2x plus 2. So it is 2 into 16 plus 2, which is nothing but 34. Which is nothing but 34. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Right? All should be in 17, sir. 17, 17, 17, 17, 17. So minus, so it should be minus 2x. It is plus 17. So it should be minus 3. Comes this side plus 3. Comes right hand side, it is plus 2x. Idea it is clear, right? Next one. See here. Minus degree it is odd. So it will be minus 1. Definitely minus 1 to be there on the right hand side. It is 15. So it should be minus 15. So it should be plus x square. Am I right? Plus x square on left hand side. It will be minus x square on right hand side. This will be plus 15. That means it will be minus 2x. Minus 2x in left hand side, it will be plus 2x in right hand side. This will be 15 minus 5 in left hand side, it will be plus 5 in right hand side. So answer is nothing but minus x square plus 2x plus 4 minus x square plus 2x plus 4. I hope it is clear. Complete equation. All should be in 15 coefficient. If it is 15, I need to add x square. I need to subtract 2x. I need to subtract 5. Right hand side plus will become minus. Minus 2x will become plus 2x. It will be plus 5. Idea it is clear. Next one. These are all easy questions if you understand the complete equation. Next one. X power 4 minus 15x cube plus 15x square minus 15x. So minus 15x. These are nothing but degree it is 1. For even it will be 15. Here it is nothing but 15 is missing. So 15. 1 minus 15 is nothing but minus 14. Answer is nothing but minus 14. I hope it is clear, right? Or otherwise, if this is there, x power 4 minus 15x cube plus 15x square minus 15x plus 15, it is nothing but 1. Till here I require 1 minus 15 is nothing but minus 14. Again it is nothing but x power 5. So answer is nothing but minus 1 in right hand side. 17. 17 means it should be plus x square. So right hand side will be minus x square. It will be minus 3x. So it should be plus 3x. It should be minus 1. So it should be plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So it is nothing but minus x square plus 3x. Answer is minus x square plus 3x. Minus 16 square plus 3 into 16. Idea it is clear, right? Next one. It's very easy if you understand it. If you understand it, it is very easy. Or if you want to go by the generic method, x power 5 minus 17x power 4 plus 17x cube minus 17x square plus 17x minus 17. It is nothing but minus 1. It is nothing but minus 1. So here it is nothing but to this value minus x square I am adding, and here plus 3x I am adding. Am I right? Plus 3x I am adding. Plus 3x I am adding, and it is nothing but plus 1 I am adding. I hope it is clear. Right? Minus x square I am adding, x square I am adding, 3x I am adding, 1 I am adding. This is what I did it. This is nothing but minus 1. So to minus 1 I am adding x square plus 3x plus 1. Idea it is clear. Next one. X power 4 minus 11x power 4. That means minus x cube needs to be done. Here it is 11x. Plus 11x needs to be done. Here it is 11. So it is plus 9 needs to be done. Degree it is odd. So answer is minus 1. Minus x cube to the right hand side plus x cube. Plus x to the right hand side minus x. It is minus 9. So answer is nothing but x cube minus x minus 10. So this is nothing but 10 cube minus 10 minus 10. Idea it is clear, right? Easy questions once you understand the idea. These 21x cube. That means 2x square is missing. Here it is minus x is missing. Here it is 9 is. So these degree power 1, 4. It is even 1. 2x square to the right hand side minus 2x square. It is plus x. And it is plus 9. So answer is nothing but minus 2x square plus x plus 10. So minus 2 into 20 square plus 20 plus 10. Idea it is clear. Next one. These, what is missing we will see. 21, 21, 21, 21. These nothing but plus 21 is missing. Degree it is 8, which is even. 1 minus 21. Answer is nothing but minus 20. Answer is nothing but minus 20. I hope it is clear, right? So what will be the last term? Last two terms logic? Minus 21x plus 0 add 20x. This is nothing but minus x, which is minus 20. Easily you will get the answer. This is x cube minus 18x square plus 19x plus 20. It is 18. That means x should be decreased. This is plus 18. This is nothing but this 18 and it is 18. It should be 18. 18 and it is plus minus minus 18. That means it is minus 38. Degree it is odd. So it is minus 1. So answer is minus 1 plus x plus 38. X plus 37. So 17 plus 37. Answer is nothing but 54. But here, if I go by the last two terms, check it out whether you are getting the same answer. 19x plus 20. Subtract 17x. It is 2x plus 20. 34 plus 20, 54. I hope it is clear. Plus minus, it should be. Next one. Plus minus. So this will be minus 3x. This is minus 18. This is nothing but plus 8. I hope it is clear. So because the degree it is even. Degree it is even. Answer is nothing but 1. 1 plus 3x minus 8. 1 plus 3x minus 8. So it is 3x minus 7. 3 into 17 minus 7. 51 minus 7. Which is 44. Which is nothing but 44. Let us see by using the last two terms. Minus 15x plus 10. Minus means this is nothing but plus 17x. Which is 2x plus 10. Which is 2 into 17 plus 10. 34 plus 10. Answer is nothing but 40. 23 it is odd. Odd power any number odd. 25 it is odd. Odd into any number it is nothing but odd. 49 it is odd. Odd into any number it is odd. 87 is odd. Odd into any number it is odd. 113 it is odd. Odd into any number it is odd. 54 it is an even number. Odd plus odd it is even. Odd plus odd it is even. Plus even. Odd minus even. Odd minus even. It is nothing but an odd number. It is nothing but an odd number. So 10 and 8 can directly be eliminated based upon the number tree concept. Based upon the number tree concept, then afterwards apply digital sum. Then afterwards apply digital sum. I hope the idea it is clear. A lot of answers you can eliminate it by using this one. X is 12. 12 is an even number. Even. And it is also even. 11 is nothing but odd. Even, it is nothing but even. Even plus odd, the value is nothing but an odd number. So wherever the even values are there, you can eliminate it. I hope it is clear. Just by looking at the question itself, you can tell which answers are incorrect also. Here it is 208 is even. Even. 197 is odd. Even minus odd. Even minus odd is nothing but an odd number. By looking at the question itself, 6 and 8 can be eliminated. I hope you are all there with me. Right? These is nothing but. Now see here. These is nothing but even. Even plus odd. Even plus odd, it is odd. All are odd numbers. Now if you see, 84 is divisible by 4. Am I right? 4 into 21. All are divisible by 4. All are. 27 is 4 into 6 plus 3. So answer when divided by 4, it should give remainder 3. Answer when divided by 4, it should give remainder 3. 57 is 4 into 14 plus 1. These 111, it is 4 into 2, 8, 31. These could be a possibility. These not a possibility. These minus 1, this could be a possibility. Just by looking at a question based upon pure understanding of number tree, you can eliminate some answer options. You can eliminate some answer options. Right? Now see here. Here also you can eliminate some answer options. 72, it is all are even number. 72, it is nothing but divisible by 3. Divisible by 3, divisible by 3, divisible by 3. 10 when divided by 3, it gives a remainder 1. Answer when divided by 3, it should give a remainder 1. I hope you are all there with me. So these is nothing but 82. 82 is 3 into 27 plus 1. Just by looking at a question itself, you are able to answer the question very, very fast if you know the logic. 36 is divisible by 3. All are divisible by 3. 14 is 3 into 4 plus 2. All are divisible by 3. Answer when divided by 3, it should give a remainder 2. It should give a remainder 2. These nothing but this and this. These two can be eliminated just by using this logic. Just by using this logic you can do. Or 36 is also divisible by 9. 9 into 4. All are divisible by 9. 14 is 9 into 1 plus 5. 9x plus 5. 9x plus 5. 50, it is the answer. You don't need to know the other methods if you are sharp enough. Now see here, sir. 24, 24. 24 is divisible by 8 into 3. All are divisible by 8. Answer when divided by 8, it gives a remainder 5. It gives a remainder 5. 30, it is not possible. Minus 30, it is 8 4s are 32. It is not possible. 8, these not possible. 8 into 3 plus 5. That also can be done very, very fast. Now see here. These nothing but 12. 12, it is nothing but 4 into 3. Answer should be divisible by 4 and 3. All are divisible by 4. 11 is 4 into 2 plus 3. Answer when divided by 4, it gives a remainder 3. Answer when divided by 4, it gives a remainder 3. Remainder 3. These are not possible. These are not possible. These two cases. Now see here. Now 12. 12 is nothing but 12, 12, 12. So from here, two options can be eliminated by using the logic. You are stuck with two options. I hope it is clear. Here also, these divisible by 8, divisible by 8, divisible by 8. Answer should be divisible by 8. 6 and 5 are eliminated. Without doing itself, you are able to eliminate two options. Now see here. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. These are nothing but divisible by 12, divisible by 12, divisible by 12. Answer should be divisible by 12. Answer should be divisible by 12. Option 1, it is eliminated. Right? Elimination approach will eliminate all the incorrect answer options. Now see here. Here also. Listen carefully. These divisible by 106. All are divisible by 106. Answer when divided by 106. It should give a remainder 25. Directly the answer is 131. I hope the idea it is clear. Just by looking at the question itself, you are able to eliminate a lot of answer options. X is nothing but 11. All are divisible by 11. All contains x. Answer is 11 into something minus 1. 11 into something minus 1. Out, out, out. Option is nothing but C. Idea it is clear, right? Just keen observation, you are getting the answer. These are divisible by 16. All are divisible by 16. 17 when divided by 16, remainder 1. 16a plus 1. Not possible, not possible, not possible. Possible answer it is nothing but 1. I hope it is clear.